Welcome to 10 Second Tom Podcast Productions. I'm your host, Mark Fossum, and today we'll be talking about the French, Russian, and American revolutions. To talk about a revolution, we need to know what one means. And a revolution, in my opinion, is an uprising of citizens or people to change something in societal order or in the political system. Most revolutions you see have violence along with them. But there are a few exceptions, such as Gandhi and Martin Luther King Jr., who changed many things without violence. With this, revolutions are significant in world history because it has changed many governments and control of power in society. One example of this is the American Revolution allowed them to be free from Britain and were able to vote and create their own government and had representation, which they did not before when they were controlled by Britain, but they still had to pay taxes. The revolutions might have happened when they did because people were coming to America and realized how little power they had. Starting with the taxation on things, such as I mentioned earlier, how they did not have representation, but they still had to pay taxes, caused some people to be very upset. And you saw this in the Boston Tea Party and the Boston Massacre. This sparked the Revolution of America. With the invention of the printing press, these ideas were spread easily, and other countries realizing how you could make change too, which sparked the French and Russian revolutions. These three revolutions are related in many ways. They wanted the power to be spread out among the people more. You especially saw this in Russia, where they wanted actually communism. In America and France, this idea was similar, but it wasn't such dramatic. They wanted more equality and freedom. All three of the revolutions, in fact, were sparked by the middle to lower class people to the higher up class people, which you saw in Russia with the proletariats and